Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to zest citrus. So citrus, of course, is oranges, lemons, limes, anything that has that beautiful, tough, citrusy skin. And a lot of people don't know this, but all of the flavor is actually in the essential oils in all of that beautiful bright green part. More flavor than the juice. So let me show you what I have going on overhead. So zesting citrus, here's a little orange here. There's 3 ways that I use citrus the most. I use a little vegetable peeler, I use a rasp, and then I use a strip zester. So, and they all have different applications in both sweet and savory cooking. So let me show you how to use a vegetable peeler. So a vegetable peeler, of course, this is great if you're gonna rim a cocktail and you wanna put a little essential oil around the rim of a glass. I just use a vegetable peeler, just get a big, beautiful piece of zest. This is also great to use in flavoring olive oils or anything where you want to actually see a big piece of zest. So that is with a vegetable peeler. Then my most common one is with a rasp. So this is just a microplane or a rasp. You can get them online at a hardware store, specialty cookware shops, and even in the grocery store. And this, what you want to do, anytime you're going to use a rasp, I always do it over the pan, over the bowl, because at home, when you run your piece of citrus over this finely grated microplane, you'll see all of the essential oils actually burst out, and you want all of that into your cooking, not onto your board. The other tip here is you don't want to get any of the white pith. You want to get this beautiful bright part. So instead of doing, I'll show you, instead of doing really, really hard and wearing it down to the white part, that's a little too deep there. You want to just use a very gentle motion and just get the beautiful bright orange part in this case. And you'll see, and it smells amazing. The last kind of zester is this little strip zester. These are really fun for making, you'll see. These make perfect little curls. And I love these in different bruschettas for on top. I love doing this on watermelon. I love doing this for cocktails. This is just a really fun way of adding some beautiful bright citrus flavor, and it's kind of fun to look at too. So 3 ways of zesting citrus, perfect for adding to your sweet and savory cooking. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and head over to marksievers.com for more ways of kitchen tips and tricks. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.